Hello, everybody. Here is the work for level one well, I'm recording it the week before, so for next week. That is the week beginning the 25th of January, and we're on page 62 and 63 of the book, and also on the next one. A lot of this is practice work to do with countable and uncountable expressions of quantity. In other words, much and many. Now, I talked about this in the last video. How much time do you have? How many minutes do you have? We don't normally say how many minutes, do we? How many cars are in the car park? How much traffic is out there on the road? Can you count it or can't you count it? There's some stuff in the back of the book about this also. So take a look in the back of the book. And you'll find out in the grammar section, even though this is more vocabulary, you'll find out a little bit more about that. Anyway, so yeah, I've put myself in the video, but I'm going to disappear. There you are. I've gone. Right. So I'm just going to go through this. You can go through the listening section for this on 6.2 on the practice website. How much money have you got on you? Okay. How many cups of coffee do you drink per day? Yeah. How many times have you been abroad is a stupid question for our students because, of course, you are abroad already. Abroad means in a foreign country. Okay. But yeah, how much? How many? If it has an S on the end, it's probably going to be many because then we can count it. Okay. Don't forget how much time is the total amount. We're thinking of one thing that you can't count, but you can count the hours. How many times in number 3 means how many different occasions. Okay. So yeah, listen to the answers. I'm not even going to put up the answers. Well, go on, I'll put up the answers for you. Why not? Here we go. And there they are. Too many cups of coffee. Netflix binges. Binge watching is when you watch the whole series. What was the last one I watched? The Queen's Gambit, the chess one that I really enjoyed. And I watched it, I think, in less than 3 days in total. Okay. Yeah, and there we go. Okay, they are your answers. Let's move on. And again, we need a or an, many or nothing or much. Okay, they are your options. There's some more practice on the website as well, and it's exactly the same as this one. So if I go back to the Headway online practice, and you can see we've got pretty much the same thing again. Okay, children mustn't play with fire. We're thinking of fire as something that's not countable. I'm going to light the fire if it's the one in the fireplace and we can see it. Or I'm going to light a fire if maybe you're in a tent and you're camping. Okay, don't light it inside the tent. That's my tip. Okay, so you can either do it here and type it in and listen to the answers, or I'm going to put up the answers to the next one in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here they come. And there they are. Okay, I'm going to light a fire. Much success, a big success. Black coffee in general. Okay, a black coffee is specific. One for me, please. Okay. If we're talking in terms of concepts like nature or pain or love, then we don't normally use a or the. Okay. But you go to the doctor and it's more specific. Ouch, doctor, help me. I have a pain in my back. Okay. Yes, English grammar is a pain in the neck. Okay. Or somewhere else. Number 3, is it countable or is it uncountable? This is like the one I said with traffic and with cars. Okay, traffic is uncountable. And again, I'm going to put up the answers in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And here they are. Okay, the countable ones, you can put an S on the end of all of them. You can't put an S on many of these, although you can with fruit. Okay, a mixed collection of fruit, no S. Different kinds of fruit, you can say fruits. Okay,